36. Irrelevant Church Members. Chalcedon Report, number 325, August 1992. It constantly amazes me how intensely some readers respond against any statement favourable to the clergy. Some of these persons are not on our mailing list, but have read a borrowed copy. I am reminded of Isaiah chapter 24, verse 2, where God declares that his judgment will fall equally on all the unfaithful. His judgment will be, as with the people, so with the priest, as with the servant, so with his master, as with the maid, so with her mistress, as with the buyer, so with the seller, as with the lender, so with the borrower, as with the taker of usury, so with the giver of usury to him. Consider now, how faithful are you to the Lord? Do you obey his law word? Do you tithe? There are certainly more than a few godly groups and missions deserving of your tithe. Are your children in a Christian school, or homeschooled, or are they in humanistic, status hands for indoctrination? Besides going to church, are you applying the faith to your daily life? Do you thank God regularly for his providential care? Do you thank faithful pastors and Christians for their work? Do you demand a Christian America when you do not vote nor contribute to the campaigns of godly candidates? About 50% of evangelicals do not vote, and only perhaps 1 to 2% will support a candidate financially. Is it any wonder that Christians, clearly the majority in the United States, are irrelevant? Who can respect such impotence? The churches have become large and powerful institutions. They are everywhere in our cities and towns. I know of one small town, not too far away, with 6 active churches and a population of perhaps 1,700. This is not unusual. Only one of those churches is modernist. But what good is a Rolls-Royce, a Mercedes, or a Volkswagen if it is only kept in the garage? Are we not told by our Lord that by their fruits ye shall know them? Matthew chapter 7, verse 20, and by his brother James. For as the body without the spirit is dead, so faith without works is dead also. James chapter 2, verse 26. We may tolerate dead bodies, but the Lord, by his judgments, buries them. Church membership is at an all-time high, but not Christianity. What good are well-paved city sidewalks if they are unsafe to walk on? Except the Lord build the house, they labour in vain that build it. Except the Lord keep the city, the watchman waketh but in vain. Psalm 127, verse 1. In some of our previous issues of the Chalcedon Report, you have read of the charitable ministry of one of our staff members, John Upton, Orphan Aid, and also his work in gaining free surgical corrections for deformed children whose parents cannot afford the costs. John received savage hostility from the ungodly. His office was broken into and his records destroyed, and only reconstituted with difficulty. Well, from the ungodly, this was not too surprising. But the attacks from church people were startling. Their attitude was, by what church authority do you do these things? The question is not new. We are told in Matthew chapter 21, verse 23, and when he, Jesus, was come into the temple, the chief priests and the elders of the people came unto him as he was teaching, and said, By what authority doest thou these things? And who gave thee this authority? Men who will not do the work of the Lord have always been prone to challenge the work of those who do. John Upton not only wept and sobbed over the sight of the discarded Romanian children, he did something about it, and continues to do so. By what authority can he be challenged? Not by the Lord's. Children are being salvaged physically and saved spiritually. It is time for the pulpits and the pew to abandon their Pharisaic irrelevance to the challenges confronting them, and it is time to support all godly activities. We cannot be blessed by God if we are like the sleeping virgins whose lamps burned out. Matthew chapter 25, verses 1 to 13. Let us give heed to St. Paul's words to the church. Awake, thou that sleepest, and arise from the dead, and Christ shall give thee light. Ephesians chapter 5, verse 14.